Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't worry, this isn't my final look. I've just got pin-up curls in. My hair does not hold curls for anything, so whenever I curl it I just make sure to pin a few bits up. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Zara and I make lifestyle and fashion videos. I am also a primary school teacher and I teach a little reception class that I love. But yeah, I am currently on half-term holidays, so I have a week break. It's Tuesday today and I feel like I've already had such a busy week. I had my friend's wedding on the weekend, which was so beautiful. It was an Arab wedding. I think it's like the second Arab wedding that I've been to, and it's just so nice to see all the different customs. And I'm Pakistani, so it's just very different from what we do at our weddings. Yeah, that was so lovely and she looked beautiful, mashallah. I actually went to her henna night as well and I wore like the cultural clothing and I did a little TikTok get ready with me. Did really well. I didn't expect it to blow up like that. If you want to check out that get ready with me, definitely go follow me on TikTok. I didn't vlog the wedding or anything because it was all girls. And then on Sunday I went for brunch with my friends. Tried that new chocolate drink place in Manchester town. It's called Canoops. It was actually really nice. It was a bit overwhelming when you go in. There's just so many drinks on the wall with different percentages. I just got a chocolate milkshake and I really liked it. My friend went for something a bit bougier. She got dark chocolate on ice and then she got sea salt in it as well, and that was really nice. And then on the Monday I actually went to a reservoir with my family and we went on such a beautiful walk. Let me just blend my concealer and then I'll be back. As I was saying, I really want to try and do more scenic walks because I don't know, I feel like you can just turn your brain off and just relax, and I really enjoyed that. Really lucky to live in Manchester because obviously we have the town that's really nice, but it's not a long drive out to get to really scenic places. But today I just thought I would do a little get ready with me, show you guys my makeup, hair, outfit, and then later I'm going to do a little jewelry unboxing as well, which I'm excited about. I'm going to be doing some school stuff today. So a few days ago I did the whole Home Sense, Home Bargains, The Range trip and I got loads of stuff for my classroom, so I'm going to do a haul for you guys, and I have some DIY things that I want to do as well. But yeah, I'm always making stuff for my classroom. I'm always on Pinterest. The last time I vlogged something that I was making for my classroom, it was a complete fail. I made an affirmation mirror and I saw this all over Pinterest, so I was like, oh my gosh, kids must love this because everyone's doing it for their classroom. No one used that thing. I had it in the classroom for about 2 weeks and fair enough, so I took it out because it looked cute, but I'm not going to keep something in my classroom just because it looks good. I want everything to actually have a purpose. So yeah, that got taken out. I've finished my makeup, just finishing up on the blush. This is the last thing I do in my routine. I even put on setting spray before this. I just like my face being a bit damp before I apply blush. Yeah, there's also a book that I have my eye on right now. It was recommended to me by a friend, so I might try and go find like a Waterstones. I haven't read a good book in ages. The last book I read was Verity by Colleen Hoover, and you guys know my thoughts on that. I did a whole little review about it, and that's the difference between pin curling and just letting your curls drop. And I get these little clips from Amazon. Just type in like pin-up curl clips and they will come up. I'm obviously gonna fix this, but this is how it looks straight out. I like the volume that it gives me as well. I'm gonna show you my outfit. It's very cottagecore, and then we're gonna do a little unboxing as well. So outfit of the day, I'm just wearing this puff sleeve white top that I got from Mango a few years ago. Same with my skirt, it's a few years old. And now let's get into the jewelry. So for the jewelry that I'm gonna wear today, I'm actually gonna do a little unboxing and show you guys some new pieces that I've got from one of my favorite jewelry brands, which is PDPAOLA, and I'm really excited to say that this video is kindly sponsored by PDPAOLA. I've been wearing their jewelry for so long now. I'm wearing some of their pieces right now. I've got their letter necklace on and 2 of their rings. One thing I love about PDPAOLA is that all of their pieces are really timeless and unique. They go together so well. Right now I'm wearing 3 different pieces from them, but they all blend together so nicely, and that's what I love. You can really mix and match their jewelry together. I also feel like it has a really distinct look. Like I was literally talking to one of my my friends and she looked at my necklace and she was like, that's PDPAOLA. So I just think their pieces are so unique. You can just tell when someone's wearing them. Their jewelry is just very high quality. All of their stuff is gold plated, so it's gonna last you a long time. But yeah, you guys know I'm always talking about jewelry on this channel. I'm always looking for new unique pieces. Whenever I wear these, I just get so many compliments. Yeah, like I said, they've really quickly become one of my favorite brands. I just wear them all the time now. It's become my everyday jewelry, and that's why I'm really excited to unbox the new piece with you guys. First of all, can we admire the packaging? I really love how simple and chic it is, and every single piece is individually wrapped in a little dust bag, which I always keep these. They come in really handy when you're traveling or when you're just storing jewelry so it doesn't get tangled or lost. So what I got is the charm necklace, and I got loads of individual charms for them as well. You can basically build your own necklace, and it's just so unique because no one's gonna have the same necklace as you, and I just think that's so fun. So I started off by getting the charms chain necklace, and this is coated with 18 karat gold. You can stack all the gemstone charms on it as well. That's what the ending looks like, and you can thread the charms through it. Let's start building our necklace. I'm going to show you all the charms that I have. Again, they are all individually wrapped. The first charm I got is this little spaceman, and I just think that's really adorable. It actually has a blue gemstone in the middle, and then I had to get a sparkly charm. It says lovers on it. Again, it's gold plated, and it also has the white zirconia stones, so it's extra sparkly. And this goes with a ring that I have gotten from them previously as well. As you can see, it just looks very similar. Just thought that would kind of make the necklace go with my everyday jewelry as well. And I got the light purple natural gemstone bar charm, and I just really loved this color. I think it gave a pop of color to all the other charms that I picked. And then the last one I got is super girly and fun. It's a heart with a arrow going through it, and I just really like the sparkles. I think again it kind of goes with my everyday rings. I'm gonna thread them all together now. I'm putting the necklace on now, but I've never seen a clasp like this, and it's making me really excited, so I wanted to show you guys. So that is the ending, and that's where you thread the charms through. It's got a little ball at the end, and you basically thread it through the ball. How easy is that? And then you just adjust it however much you want. Okay, but that's what it looks like. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous and unique necklace, and you can completely customize it however you want. It's definitely gonna become one of my everyday pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and put my letter necklace on. You get what I mean now when I say that all the jewelry just goes really nicely together and you don't really need to try. Really happy with my new pieces. Definitely go check them out. I'm going to put my discount code back on the screen now, so if you want to grab yourself a charm necklace and start building up a collection, then definitely go check out their website and use my discount to get money off. Anyway, thank you so much to PDPAOLA for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna get on with my day now. I really want to go to Starbucks and try the new dragon fruit drink as well, so I'm really excited. I'm possibly gonna go buy a new book. So I'm currently in the Starbucks drive-through. I'm gonna get myself the new, well, I was gonna get myself the new dragon fruit drink. I've just seen the new cold brew drink on the screen and it looks so good, so I don't know what to do. Like, should I have coffee at this time? It's like 6 o'clock. I should not be having coffee at this time, so I'm gonna go with the dragon fruit drink, and yeah, I'm really excited to try it. And then we are gonna go to Waterstones, have a look around. There's this new book I want to get. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today? Meet you around, thank you. Okay, thanks. Such a fail. They didn't have the dragon fruit drink. Okay, so the book, I've been in a really big reading rut. I think the last book I read was a few months ago now, and it was Verity by Colleen Hoover, and I really didn't like it. I vlogged talking about what I thought about the book, but yeah, in summary, I didn't like it. And I just can't get into another book, but my friend suggested to me this book that got her out of a reading rut, and it was The Last Mrs. Parrish, I think. And she said that it was just an easy read. She said it's not like phenomenal, but it was a good read. And she's an English teacher, so I'm gonna take her word for it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go look for that at Waterstones. So it's a salted caramel cream cold brew. It's so strong. I kind of regret getting that. It's really nice. It would have been so good in the morning, but it's like 6 o'clock and I really shouldn't have got that. Let's go book shopping. I'm so excited. This is like my perfect day, and yeah, I'm excited. my car and I got a book. It wasn't the book that I wanted to get. I didn't have it in store and he was like, I can order it in for you, but then I was like, I might as well just get it off Amazon. It looked quite interesting to me, so I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna start it today. I'm literally, I would just want to read a book and I haven't really gotten into one, so I'm really excited to just go home and read this. I was gonna do classroom stuff today. I still might, just see how I feel. It's so crazy. I met up with a friend in there and we're like similar ages and we were just talking about life, and I feel like when you're in your 20s, your mid-20s, everyone's kind of going through the same thing but no one talks about it, and it's just like the timing of your life and comparing your life to other people. It's such a normal thing to do, but when you're doing it yourself, you kind of feel like really alone. So I just want to like ask you guys, how do you feel in your mid-20s? Do you find yourself comparing yourself to other people a lot? Because I feel like lately I've just been comparing myself and like my life's timeline, I guess, to a lot of people around me. I feel like when you do that too much, you start ignoring the things that are going on in your life. I was definitely just focusing on the things that I don't have, and it's really easy to slip into that mindset. Yeah, I just wanted to say that because it can be kind of a lonely feeling. I thought I would bring it up and kind of ask you guys, are you doing that? Or is it just like something I was doing? Yeah, I just thought I would kind of bring that up because after having that conversation I was like, oh, maybe it's not kind of an isolated feeling. I'm guessing a lot of people go through that. Maybe I'm not phrasing it correctly, but I think it's really important to remember all the good things in your life and that you're on your own journey. Everyone's timeline is different, so your time is gonna come. But yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was really interesting having that conversation with her and realizing that those are the feelings that I was literally feeling a few days ago. I said this to her, what I'm saying to you guys, and she said it really helped. So I hope that helps anyone. Anyway, I'm gonna go home now. I haven't taken my makeup off or gotten changed because I know I have work to do after this. So if I got cozy in my pajamas, I'd probably end up falling asleep, and I can't do that because I have lots of editing to do. So yeah, I'll read for about however long and then get on with my work. Hi guys, I'm just in my pajamas right now, but it is the next day. I'm having a little shoot day with my sister today. Me and my older sister both post our outfits on Instagram. I'm gonna get ready now and sort out some outfits because I haven't picked anything out yet. So we're on a little shoot day in town. We're just sitting at a coffee shop right now getting some lunch, but Shafa's got an apple juice and she's gonna get changed into her next outfit now. We both got our tote bags. I'm just on my second look right now. So our food is here. We got an avocado salad and an arrabbiata sandwich. Not sure what's in there. I think it's like aubergine and tomatoes and stuff, but it looks really nice. We're just gonna eat now. I don't know if you can see that. We finished our little shoot day and now we're getting a car wash because my car really needed it. And then we're just gonna head home. Hi guys, so I'm in the car with my sisters. It's a little while later and we are off to see Little Mermaid. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for ages to watch this, and yeah, we grew up on Disney princess films. We had a few favorites that we would watch on repeat and Little Mermaid was definitely one of them, so I'm very excited. Come to the Wingstop in Trafford Centre for food, and I met loads of you guys, so hi if you're watching this. Thanks for coming up to me, but we got some chicken wings and chips, so we're gonna eat this before. Hi guys, so I just went to go get my nails taken off. I think at the start of this vlog I mentioned how I went to the range and Hobbycraft to get some things for my classroom, and I just wanted to give you a haul of everything I got. Hobbycraft actually had a massive like half off sale, so I ended up picking up 4 of these logs and they were £2 each, and they're really nice. And I just got these as kind of placemats for the Play-Doh area. I also went a bit chalkboard crazy, but having chalkboards in your classroom is so good because you can kind of design it and tailor it to whatever topic you're doing. I got these 2 chalkboards, and then I already have one that I need to kind of rub out. Basically, how a reception classroom works is that you have loads of different areas. So this is one that I made for the creative corner. And then I wrote Fantastic Tales because that was their topic at the time. All the illustrations kind of help them understand what the theme is, but I'm going to change them all to space theme. I got this from Tesco, but how cute. I couldn't pass that up. It's so pretty. It's a chalkboard again. I don't know, I might do like a welcome to our classroom on here, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. And then I've just got my chalkboard pens, which are from Amazon, and I'm just going to start doing the little DIY. That is it for this vlog, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I've been loving doing these more chill vlogs for you. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment on this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!